Okay, so if you want to start a YouTube channel or a shorts or a Instagram page, so you need a script for that, and you are literally new and you do not know how to write a script. So how you can do this very easily? So here I'm gonna show you a website from where you can get your title, keyword, and the script of whole video. Even you will get a free audio from there. Okay, so just watch the video carefully, and at the end of the video I will show you that how you can extract that video from that website. So here we are going to use a website that is named as vidIQ. Okay, so I hope you all are aware about this website. This is a website which will help you to analyze your YouTube content. Like, it will help you to boost your YouTube views and subscribers. Okay, so you need to visit this website, and I will mention this link to my description box. Okay, so here you can see a option named as AI tools. You need to go there, hover, and then get on this content generator option. Okay, now click there. Okay, now as you can see here, it is showing how you can get a script. So similarly, you just need to write here a topic that about which you want to get a content or a script. So let me write here. So I write here AI power. I write it in very short. Let's see what it generates. Okay, so now you can see here it gives us the title, the rise of AI empowering innovation and transformation. Then here the description for that video, and then these keywords. Okay, here we get some backgrounds which are not that good, but still if you want to use them you can, or even you can just enhance them by doing some changes. Here you get a script for your video, and also now in some time after loading the whole content you will get the voiceover. So here you can see the voiceover. You can use this voiceover not by simply, you can just click on right click and just click on save audio as, and then you will be able to save this audio in your system. If you are not able to download that audio in that pattern, then what you can do, just use Control Shift and I, then this type of prompt will open in your system. Okay, now use this arrow symbol, click here, and then go here and click on it. Okay, now you can see this audio, and if you go here, now you need to copy this URL first, go on your browser and paste it here. Okay, now remove the all extra things. Now click on enter. Now here you need to click on these three buttons, and you can say three dots. Now click on download, and then this will downloading in your system. Okay, so I hope this video is clear to you, and if it is helpful then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.